This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marie Kennedy. Desirable lofts of Palm Air. Great fee simple villa in charming, quaint community. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, split bedroom plan roof with additional insulation was replaced last year. New guest bathroom, updated master bathroom. All tile floors. Loft adds additional storage. 16 feet vaulted ceiling. Large fenced patio offers additional private living area. LOFTS, no age or pet restrictions. Community amenities, pool, dog park, racquetball court, gym and clubhouse. Great location, easy access to I-95, shopping, downtown. Don't miss this great home, it won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Marie Kennedy at 954-369-0200.